A dying planet. The need to create a cleaner product for that dying planet has always been here. The carbon filter car exhaust cap is a chemical process that uses active carbon particles that clean contaminants and impurities from anything we pass through it, such as car exhaust. The ability to create a car exhaust filter that's multiple bottom lines measure not only profit, but decrease in emissions, increase in cars that pass emission tests, and decrease in smog, offer the most efficient, breathable way to filter car exhaust that won't interfere with your car's running engine. The carbon filter is a unique design that outweighs similar products with its use of the carbon filtration process, where other old-fashioned ideas prevent your car from running after a period of time. The carbon filter cap ensures feasibility through its breathable technology. The carbon filter isn't designed to help us, it's designed to help you, offering a cleaner, breathable community. And with our community cleaner programs, the more we sell, the more you benefit to ecofy local communities in desperate need while offering relationship builders between the both of us along the way. The time to clean has always been now. Don't let our planet die. Let it live and let it breathe.